Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have teacher cards for you today, and these cards are super simple. I used two stamp sets from Kindred stamps, and they are the Masters of Magic stamp set and World of Magic stamp set. I colored these images during the 30-day coloring challenge on Instagram hosted by Kati Rakuzen, and I'm just now using them on my cards. I'm going to do some ink blending on my panel today, and my panel measures 5.5 by 4 1/4 inches, and I'm going to use the Heffy Doodle Masquerade Stencil, and I'm just going to use this square piece here. I'm not going to show you all the color combinations that I used today because that will take us a long time, but I just used 3 distress oxide colors on one panel, and I tried to match the colors on the background with my characters. I used blending brushes to apply the colors on my panels, and these blending brushes are really good to use for distress inks or distress oxide inks, and I'm gonna leave the link of those ones on my description box below. I got those ones from Amazon. I'm going to splatter some of the glimmer mist on the blended panel. The splatter will give me distressed effect, and I really like that look. And then I'm just going to blot the excess water from the paper. So here are all the panels that I blended with distress oxide inks. I used 3 colors, and I just chose those colors that will match with my characters. I'm going to die cut all the panels using Elizabeth Craft Designs dashing rectangles. For the sentiment, I use one of the sentiment from the stamp sets, and this one says stitching more than a job, it's magic. So I really like this sentiment. So I'm inking it up with Versafine Onyx black ink, and I'm going to emboss it with clear embossing powder. And I will repeat the process, and then we'll emboss them or heat set them all at once. And now that the stamping and embossing is done, I'm going to adhere all my panels on my A2 size card base. And my card base are from Paper Tree Ink cardstock. For my characters, I will pop them up with foam tape and I will place them in the middle of the blank white space on my card. For the inside of my cards, for this first one here, it says it's your birthday for one of the cards, and I'm grateful for you for the rest of the cards. And then I use two of the small images from the stamp sets also, and I'm just inking them up with Versafine Onyx black ink. And then I'm going to color these images with my Prismacolor pencils, and I'm just coloring them super simple here. And here are all my cards today. One of the cards is birthday card and the rest are teacher cards. So I hope you like today's video, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.